Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear 4th standard students. Everybody open page number 30 from course book. Today discuss about addition. What is meant by addition? Addition means the combination of two or more numbers are called addition. The combination of two or more numbers are called addition. Now, sum. What is meant by sum? The result of addition is called as sum. The result of addition is called as sum. So, in your previous classes, we have learned the addition of 3-digit number with carrying and without carrying. In this class, we shall learn to add 4-digit numbers with and without carrying. See, listen carefully. Shriya went to a shop with her mother. Her mother bought 2 frocks for Shriya. Shriya's mother asked Shriya, "Do you know how much we paid for these 2 frocks?" "Yes, ma'am, I know how to find it. Give me 2 minutes, I will tell you," said Shriya. Shriya added the price of 2 frocks. One is 654 rupees and second one is 334 rupees. In mind, and told her mother, "We paid 988 rupees for 2 frocks, ma'am." Her mother was happy and said, "Wonderful, Shriya, we have done. It's so fast. I am glad." Shriya not only listened to her teacher carefully, but also had practiced addition well. Hence, she was able to add the 2 numbers correctly. See, let us recall addition of 3-digit numbers. See here. Let us recall addition of 3-digit number. Three-digit numbers. See here, 638 plus 361. See here, 638 is a 3-digit number and also it has 3 places, that is ones, tens, hundreds. 8 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place. Plus 361, this is also 3-digit number, it has 3 places from right to left side, ones, tens, hundreds. Then while you are doing addition problem, now first we can add ones place digits. Okay, see, in ones column we have 2 digits, 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. Next, 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6, what we get? 9. Next, 9. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. 6 after we can count 3. 7, 8, 9. So therefore, sum is equals to 999. Next one, 520 plus 241. This is also 3-digit numbers. Okay. So first we add ones place digits. What are given in ones place column? 0 plus 1 means 0 is added to any number, what we get? Same number. 0 is added to any number, you can get the same number. So 0 plus 1, 1. 2 plus 4, what we get? 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. 3, 4, 5, 6. Next 5 plus 2, 7. 5 in the mind, and you have to take 2 fingers in your hand, 6, 7. Then, therefore, sum is equals to 761. Now next, 819 plus 180. See, 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0. 0 is added to any number. What we get? You can get the same number. So, 9 plus 0, you can get 9. 1 plus 8, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. Therefore, sum is equals to 999. Everybody write down in your book, course book. So, now next. 596 plus 203. See here, while you are doing addition problem, first we can add ones place column. Now here see, 6 plus 3. What do we get? 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 5 plus 2, what do we get? 7. So therefore, sum is equals to 799. Now next, 245 603. 5 plus 3. What do we get? 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 0. 0 is added to any number. What do we get? You can get same. 0. 4 plus 0. What do we get? 4. 2 plus 6. 8. 2 in the mind, and you have to take 6 fingers in your hand. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, sum is equals to 848. Now next, 298. 298 plus 401. So you can do first from right to left side once column digits. Okay? Column wise. Here 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. 2 plus 4, 6. Therefore, sum is equals to 699. $867 plus 854. Look at the backboard, everybody. First you can do ones place digits in column wise. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 means in ones place it 1 is there. 1 you can write under one's column. So 1 is carrying in tens column. Next 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 2 is taking right under tens column and 1 is carrying in hundreds column. Then 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. So this is the last column of the given addition. So you can write directly total 20, total 17. So what we get? You can get 4-digit number. Sum is equals to 1721. Now next 780, 391. 0 plus 1 1, 9, 8 plus 9, 17. 17 it has 2-digit number, so 7 is in 1's place, 1 is in 10's place. You can take 7 right under 10's column and 1 is carrying in 100's column. Then 1 plus 7, 8 plus 3, 11. So this is the last digit of given addition, you can write directly 11. So what we get? Therefore, sum is equals to 1171. Next one, write down. See, this is very important. 679 plus 348. See, 9 plus 8, 17. In it, 7 taking and write under 1's column, 1 is carrying in 10's place or 10's column. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So 2 taking right under 10's column and 1 is carrying in 100's column. So here 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. This is the last digit, you can write directly 10. So therefore sum is equals to 1027. Now see here, this is very important. Think properly. 3, 2 dash given. Dash 3. So sum is given. 1's place, under 1's place 9, under 10's place 4, under 100's place 5. See, you can fill up missing the digits in addition. See, you can see in 1's place column here missing digit in the box. So which number you can write here? You can get 9 in it. Which number you can write? You will get 9. See, here write 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Yes. 6 plus 3, 9. Now next here 2 is given above the 10's column. Now here second one is empty. So which number you can write here? You can get 4. 2 plus which number? 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 you can get 4. Now next here 5 is given. Which number you can write here? Which number you can add to 3? We will get 5. So you can add 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Therefore sum is equals to 549. 549. Now next 8 5 dash dash 3 1. Ones place 4 plus dash C. See here in one's column above the number one digit did not given. Sorry, one digit did not give. So here in this box you can write. So which number you can write here? So the sum is 4. You can write 3 in this box. 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So now next here 5 is there. Here 3 is there. So 5 plus 3, 8. Now next hundreds column 8 is given, but here not there. So we can get 9 while adding hundreds place digit. We can get 9. So which number you can write here? There is no number, no. So 8 plus 1, 9. Therefore sum is equals to 984. Now next five dash 2 dash 3 dash plus 6 3 7. See here, first of all you can do ones place column digits. Here 2 is there, but here any number not there. Which number you can write? You can get 6. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4, 6. Now here there is no number. 3. So what will get 3? So 0 plus 3 you can get 3. 0 is added to any number, you can get the same number. Now next 5 is in hundreds place. In second column hundreds place there is no number. So you can write here 2. 5 plus 2 you can get 7. Therefore sum is equals to 736. Now next page number 31, word problems with 3-digit addition. See here, in a school cricket tournament, blue team scored a total of 584 runs in all the matches they played. Red team scored 469 runs totally in all the matches they played. In a school there are 2 teams are there. One is blue team and second one is red team. The total score of blue team 584 and the total score of red team 469. How many runs did the blue and red teams score in all? See, this is very easy. First of all, read the problem twice and understand it clearly. See here, in a school cricket tournament, blue team scored a total of 584 runs in all the matches they played. వాళ్ళు అన్ని మ్యాచెస్ ఆడారు, అందులో వాళ్ళ స్కోర్ వచ్చేసి 584. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ టీమ్ ఈజ్ రెడ్ టీమ్. రెడ్ టీమ్ స్కోర్డ్ 469 runs totally in the all matches they played. How many runs did the blue and red teams score in all? Write the given numbers in statement. ఇచ్చినటువంటి వాటిని మనం స్టేట్మెంట్లో రాయాలి. Add the numbers and write the answer. See here, runs scored by blue team. Is equals to 584. Runs scored by red team is equals to 469. Runs scored by both blue and red teams is equals to 584 plus 469. See here, 584. Next 469. Add the digits in ones place first. Add the digits in ones place first. See, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones place highs 2 digits. 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9, what we get? 13. 13 means 3 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. 3 is carrying right under ones column. Now 1 is carrying in tens place. Next, now add the digits in tens place. Carrying is also there. This is also, you can add it. So tens place. 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 6, 15. So taking 5 and write under tens column, 1 is carrying in hundreds column. Add the digits in hundreds place with the carry. So carrying what here? 1. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So you can write 10 because this is the last column. So together the two teams scored. So together the two teams scored a total of 1053 runs. Next, addition of 3-digit numbers. Let us also learn to add 3-digit numbers now. Add 347, 251 389. Listen carefully. See here, 347, 251, 389. See, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, next thousands place. Write the numbers column wise. 347, 251, 389 respect their places. Add the digits in ones place first. Ones place లో ఉన్నటువంటి digits ని యాడ్ చేయాలి. See here. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 is a 2-digit number. So we have to take 7 and write under ones column. Cut it and 1 is carrying in tens place. Means tens column. Now here we can add the digits in tens place with carry. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. So you can take right under 8 under tens column and 1 is carrying in hundreds place. Next we add the digits are in hundreds place with carry. This is also you can add along with hundreds place digits. See here, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. So you can write it here, 9. Sum is equals to, what is the sum? The result of addition is called as sum. 987. Now next, addition of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay? See here. We have recapitulated the addition of 3-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers can also be added by following the same method. See here, this is thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. See, 2146. Next, 4103. Write the numbers place value wise in columns. Add the digits in ones place first. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. So this is 4-digit numbers. See, 6 plus 3, what do we get? 9. 4 plus 0, 4. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. First add the digits in ones place. Next now add the digits in tens place. Next add the digits in hundreds place. Last one is add the digits in thousands place. So very simple. Therefore sum is equals to 6249. Okay. Today class is completed. Tomorrow addition of 4-digit numbers using beads on an abacus. Thank you everybody.